Good afternoon, everybody out there who's watching. I'm Nick Loney with Witt Auto of Green Bay. For this week's deal of the week, we have a 2011 F-250 Lariat 6.2 for the special sale price of $19,725. As we take a walk around the truck here, you see you got the light bar installed up front, tow hooks. Walk to the back here. As you guys can notice, it already has the 6-inch lift kit, 4x4, class 5 trailer hitch, backup camera. Walk over to the front here. You got electric foot pedals, electric seats, driver 1, driver 2 settings. Everything at the controls of your fingertips. Come back here, jump in the back seat. Show you guys the front here. You got the updated screen. So you have navigation, Bluetooth, heated seats, cooled seats, trailer brakes, USB ports. Again, I'm Nick Loney with Witt of Green Bay, and I can be reached at 920-360-0667. Come on in, pick up your new Super Duty.